day everyone, I'm back and tonight I'm going to show you a full recipe. A step by step but let's make it quick kasi alam ko ang iba sa inyo after watching the videos gusto na agad gumawa, gusto na agad magluto. So ngayong gabi, I'll be preparing a very simple dish na paborito ng marami sa atin. I'm doing barbecue. So, ano pa talaga ang barbecue? Barbecue is actually a cooking method wherein pwede mong iluto sa ihawan or iluto mo dito sa pan yung mga meats mo or vegetables, fish na may barbecue flavor. But dito sa Pilipinas, we have our own unique way of preparing barbecue. Madaming klase yan. Meron tayong tinatawag na dry rub, meron tayong tinatawag na marinade. But tonight, I'm going to show you a simple way na pwede mo siyang ilagay lang sa ref and whenever you're craving for barbecue, isasalang mo lang. So I'm going to start with soy sauce. This is 2 cups of soy sauce. Ang pakita mo sa kanila, I actually prepared yan. O, screenshot mo na yan. So I have here 2 cups of good soy sauce. Ilalagay ko lang sa kaserola yan. Brown sugar, 1 cup brown sugar. The darker the sugar, the better because this will contribute to the nice brown color of your barbecue. Minced garlic. Maraming nagtanong sa akin, somebody sent me a message the other night. Paano ba maiiwasang nangingitim yung garlic? Kasi katulad sa amin, in a restaurant setting, we need to chop the garlic using machine. So normally, in a day, we chop, let's say, 5 kilos of garlic. Nilalagyan namin ng konting mantika yan because the mantika or the oil will coat the garlic and will prevent it from discoloration. So you put the garlic, calamansi juice, and then you're putting tomato paste. Hindi ko talaga siya pinre-measure because I want you to see this. I got this from the supermarket. You see, normally kasi ang sakit ng tomato paste is nangingitim. But having it in a Tetra Pak like this is very, very convenient. So you just put the tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Parang marami, no? But actually, the black pepper will give you the smokiness of your barbecue. Kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat tayo merong ihawan or meron ka mang ihawan, well, hindi lahat may pasensya na magpabaga pa ng uling. So, sometimes or most of the time, we just cook it on stove top. The black pepper will give it the extra smoky flavor. And then for this one, sa ganitong kadaming marinade, kaya niyan ang 2 to 3 kilos na meat. So I'm putting liempo, this is 1 kilo of liempo, and 1 kilo of chicken thigh fillet. May skin yan. You see, the chicken thigh fillet na may skin. Mapapansin mo mukhang puno, pero okay lang yan kasi magtutubig yan. Okay? Magtutubig. And of course, I need to wash my hands quickly. Kasi syempre, humawak ka sa manok. Okay? That's why I always have alcohol here in my kitchen so I can sanitize my hand. And then, I'm going to simmer this. Anong ibig sabihin ng simmer? Pag sinabing simmer, pinapakuluan mo siya pero dahan-dahan lang. Nakikita mo to, small bubbles. Ito na yan eh. Ito na yan. I'm going to simmer this for approximately 20 minutes. Medium fire lang, medium heat ang pag-simmer. Kasi ayaw mo yan, pag masyadong malakas ang kulo, ang mangyayari, you're going to tear the meat and the skin of the chicken. And also, mas malaki yung shrinkage. Mapapansin mo, ay, parang ang liit na nung aking liempo. Kanina malaki siya, biglang umurong. Okay, that's why you just simmer. This one, it has been simmering here for almost 20 minutes already. So, papatayin ko na yung apoy. Hindi mo talaga siya tatakpan. Bakit? Because if you leave the cover on, ang mangyayari dyan is magtutubig ng magtutubig yung iyong barbecue. Okay? So, after 20 minutes of simmering, oops, ang init. You have to be careful. Nagising tuloy ako bigla. So you put the meats here. Okay, luto na yan. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. You can just put it in the microwave oven. Sorry, ayan tuloy because of the paso. You just put it inside the refrigerator. Pag lumamig yan, and whenever you want to cook barbecue, iluto mo lang sa hot stove. Stovetop. Luto na to. So you don't have to worry na, di ba minsan ang sakit natin pag nagba-barbecue is ay nahilaw yung loob ng chicken, especially for your chicken thigh, di ba? Etong sabaw na to, this will serve as your sauce. Ito yung gagawin nating sauce ng barbecue natin. So, if you're wondering, malabnaw siya, paano natin siya mapapalapot? Now, this is the technique of the day. We call it the slurry. Pagka sinabing slurry, in cookery, isa yan sa mga pampalapot na ginagamit natin. Ngayon, paano ka gumawa ng slurry? Normally, that is just water plus cornstarch or all-purpose flour. Me, personally, I enjoy using cornstarch. Binuksan ko yung apoy, pakukuluin ko yan, and then I have here cornstarch. Okay, I'm going to get a bowl. And ibabind ko lang yung cornstarch with some water. Konting tubig and konting cornstarch. Once the cornstarch dissolves, like that, konti lang, mga 1 to 2 tablespoons, pwede mo nang ibuhos yan doon. Doing a slurry will prevent the starch from forming lumps. Kasi di ba kalimitan, nagbubuo-buo bigla yung cornstarch pagka binuhos mo doon sa mainit na mixture. So dito, nag-dissolve na siya. Pagdating dito sa sauce mo, pag binuhos mo yan dyan, ang gagawin na lang yan is, papalaputin niya yung sauce. So meron ka ng barbecue. Now, you're ready to set this. Pwede na natin iihaw to. I'm going to turn on the pan. Kasi of course, this is a home-style barbecue. Gagamit lang tayo ng cast iron pan. Pero kung pang sa sarili ko lang, non-stick pan lang yung gagamitin ko. Okay? Okay, tingnan mo, lumapot na yung sauce mo. It's very important na palaputin mo yan, pakuluin mong mabuti, kasi ang cornstarch, hindi yan nagte-take effect unless the mixture reaches boiling point. Kailangan talaga kumulo. Pag hindi mo na pakulong mabuti yan, mapapansin mo, later on, lalabnaw ulit yung sauce mo kasi hindi mo na-activate yung starch. Okay? So, it's thick already and it smells so good. I'm going to turn it off. And now, I am going to grill the barbecue over my cast iron pan. And I'm going to show you another recipe, which is Java rice. So for the Java rice, I'm going to get a non-stick pan. Nakikita ba sa video? I'm going to get a non-stick pan. I'm going to turn on the heat. Medium. I'm just going to leave it here. I need to light it manually. Okay, I'm going to turn on the heat to medium, and then you need some oil. I'm using olive oil. Butter. The butter will make your Java rice extra delicious. Okay. This is achiote powder. Achiote powder will give it the nice yellowish color. Tansya-tansya lang yan. Actually, para ka lang gumagawa ng sinangag. And of course, ketchup. Konting banana ketchup. Kumukulo na to, as you can see. And then I just need a spoon like this. then here, I'll start pan grilling para makagawa ko ng isang plate. And I can show you. Kaya ako gumagamit ng olive oil kasi olive oil has a very low smoking point. Ibig sabihin, mabilis masunog ang olive oil. So pag maganda siyang gamitin, pag gumagawa ka ng nagluluto ka ng mga steak or barbecue na gusto mong mabilis mag-crust yung labas. Bakit? Kasi luto na yung karne mo eh. Ang gusto mo na lang gawin dito is mag-brown yung labas niya. So you can get that nice barbecue caramelization. Okay? So, yan, kumulo na yan. And then I have here rice. Nakalong na ako ng konting rice. Oops. I'm using Japanese rice. Para ka lang magsasangag. See? Ayan, kinapawisan na ako. So, literal na para ka talagang nag-iihaw dito sa labas. So, this is the Java rice. And normally, pwede mong lagyan yan ng konting binitong sauce. Pero ang ginagawa ko is, I just keep it like this. You can also season this with a little bit of salt. Pero I intend to keep it bland para mangibabaw mamaya yung lasa ng barbecue. See how easy to prepare the Java rice. So turn off the heat for your Java rice. Okay, let's check the barbecue. Woo! Nicely browned. Okay, and while that's grilling, I'm going to show you the last recipe for today. Sinulat ko ba yun dito? So that is your easy atsara. Of course, ano ba ang kapartner ng barbecue? Kung hindi atsara. But this is a very easy to make, parang salad lang. You need cucumber, onions, and garlic. So, in-slice ko lang yan, even the garlic, I sliced it. Nakakatanggal kasi ng umay kung marami kang garlic na ilalagay. Our regular customers in our cafe, they love our atsara. And our only secret there is just putting lots of garlic. Kasi pampasarap talaga ang garlic. Oh, look, you want to get that nice caramelization. Diba? Tatabi ko na to para lumuwag tayo dito. Okay? That nice caramelization of the meat. Diba? Parang inihaw mo din talaga siya sa uling without pay-pay-pay-pay. For the atsara, 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of vinegar. I like using red cane vinegar. Okay? Kasi it has a very natural taste and flavor. So, ito-toss mo lang yan dyan. Just toss the sugar and the vinegar onto your vegetables. And then yan na yun. And you can also season it with some salt and pepper. Lalagyan ko ng salt and pepper. And then you can bottle this and then you can keep it inside the fridge. So you see, preparing a very simple dinner, pwede ka naman mag-prepare din ng mga usual na nakakain mo sa restaurant, but you don't need to spend a lot. Kasi actually ito, nag-crave lang ako. Our restaurant is closed, as you can see, pakita mo doon, sarado. Patay yung ilaw ng kitchen. So So wala akong ma-order ng barbecue. So they run into the supermarket. Magkano lang ang nabili yan? 2 kilos pork, 2 kilos chicken, less than 1,000 pesos. Ingredients for the sauce are here, and it can feed how many? A lot of people. So you see, very simple to prepare, very easy, but very exquisite. Mag-plate tayo ng isa so you can see. Actually, kanina pa yan luto. Binabrown mo lang talaga yung labas. Okay, so you have chicken, and then you have your liento. You have your java rice. See, lalagyan ko ng sauce. Some barbecue sauce, and your achara on the side. So here is your easy barbecue. Very easy. And I'm going to try it. Para iinggitin ko kayo. And then, magluto na lang kayo sa bahay. The meat is very tender. And nandun yung medyo sunog na labas na para talagang inihaw siya sa cooling. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any recipe that you want me to feature in my next video, feel free to comment. Good night, everyone.